probably think of things as I go along, but it's time to cut the tape. Cut the tape. Cut the tape. So, let's get into it, shall we? This subscription or styling service, I chose one size smaller than my Nadine West choices. So, excuse me. I don't know if that's going to benefit me or if it's going to go against me. But this is a whole learning process. Who has Diet & Co? All my Diet & Co ladies, please join me so we can all collab. Well, not collab, but that's not the word I'm looking for. So we can all converse and talk about, you know, what you like about it, what you don't like about it, what you'd like for them to change. All right, on the top here, we have your slow down, Ange. Yeah. You have your return envelope. Whoa, that's huge. Look at how big that is. Holy cannolis. That is humongi. What you don't want. Now make sure with these services that you're returning what you don't want ASAP, because you will be charged for it on your card. So yeah, make sure you do that. We'll get back to this. I think there may be a note in here for me from my stylist, but I don't want to spoil the fun and know what's in the box first. So, without further ado, it's like a present for yourself. You know, it's like a reward for yourself, which I think is a huge necessity in your life, to at least reward yourself for something. It doesn't matter what you're rewarding yourself for, but put a little time aside for yourself, with things like this or whatever it may be, whatever reward it is, as long as it's not bad for you or isn't bad for anybody else or harmful. And it's like a little present to myself each month to basically say, hey, you know, things aren't that bad. It's something to look forward to. I'm not saying things are bad, but, you know, it's an incentive to look forward to something right here. All right, we'll just throw that aside. Yes! Okay, I have jeans, which, man, oh man, I have been desperate. That is so cute. Desperate for a well-fitting pair of jeans, because, man, I tell you, being short, petite, is really difficult to get a pair of jeans that actually fit you correctly. So I see a pair of jeans here. I don't know if you can see what's in my bundle. Green. Oh, 2 pairs of jeans. Dark and light wash. Oh my goodness. Super stoked. Yeah. Alright, let's see. I'm so excited. Stripes again. Okay, I'm back. I lost time on my camera, which I thought I knew I was going to run into that problem just as the excitement started. So, where was I? This top, like I said, Molly and Isadora, is striped, which I'm not feeling stripes, but I don't know, we'll have to see when I try it on. That's the front, 3/4 length sleeves. And here's the back, super cute. It's really soft. So that's item number 1. So you have no idea how excited. Okay. Item 2. Let's see. This is a navy. Looks to be a sweater. Molly and Isadora. And let's see here. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, Dia. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Look at the little detailed, they have like little detailed bows on the sleeve, which that's adorable. You see that? And the way the sleeve is, oh, I'm loving it. Okay. Material is kind of like a knit. It doesn't say what it's made out of, but we have a navy sweater. Cute. Not so bad. Not so bad so far. Let's take a breath. My cat is back. You're not supposed to be up here, but do you want to say hi? Come here. Do you want to say hi? You want to make your 5 minutes of fame? This, oh, this is my chubs. Chub rock. Say hi. Say, you gotta look up. Say hey. What's up? I gotta check things out. Yeah. Say, I gotta check things out because it's super exciting too. So, okay. All right. You wanna get down? Okay. Next. This hair. I need to do something with it. Something. Okay. Next, we have this emerald green job. What is this? Sabrina Collective. Maybe it's a dress. Feels like a dress. Oh. Okay, Tia. Okay, okay. I see you. I see you. It's a dress. 3/4 length sleeves. This is the back. Here's the bottom. The top is ruched in the middle, which I really like that a lot. Got kind of like an elastic thing going on, which I like that a lot. All right, liking that too. Oh, well, let's say 2 for 3 so far. I'm not really feeling the sweater all too much, but we'll have to see what it looks like on. Thirsty, parched. I'm parched. All right, now jeans. Okay. Light washed. Meri Skye, M-E-R-I. Okay. I can just imagine how much these are. That's another thing too, is I'm going in blind, not knowing how much the items, this hair, I can't. Not knowing how much each item is so that I don't, you know, I give it like a neutral, unbiased judgment, not based on price, because when I go shopping, don't be fresh. Only you. Come on, my snook buddy. When I go shopping, I always judge it based on price most of the time. Unless it's just something where I'm like, it fits me like a glove. And then, you know, I may change my mind. Excuse me, no. We don't do that. I know, your anxiety. I know, it's exciting. Okay, it says sustainable collection, recycle, reduce, reuse. That's adorable. approximately 30% of this denim is made of recycled plastic bottles. Okay, I have a pair of pants, leggings, that are made by Threads for Thought, and they're made from the same kind of thing. So kudos to the companies that do this, because man, oh man, this world these days with the pollution and the plastic bottles, let me just say. See, I don't use plastic bottles, people. I don't pollute. Come on. All right, so light washed. I'm not sure about the size. Let's see, what kind of cut are they? Oh, they're distressed. Cuffed though. All right, Dia, let's have a little chat. Oh, I don't like cuffed jeans. I don't like cuffed because us petite, short girls look like Oompa Loompas with, or at least I do, with cuffed jeans. I will try them on, but I'm not making any promises. That's a turn to the downward realm. But they look like straight leg cut. They're distressed. Can you see the cuffs? Can you see the distressing? Let's see. Got a little bit of distressing here. A little bit of distressing here. Here's the back. They're soft and they have some give, some stretch to them. We'll see, but I don't